Believe it or not, this peaceful marsh used to be a junkyard filled with old cars and trash. Today, Piper and I will be exploring Beaver Marsh to see how this incredible place was transformed. Before we start on a hike, I always spray Piper with tick prevention. Ticks can be common on wooded trails, so this helps keep her protected. Today's hike is about 1.3 miles with a very minimal elevation gain, making it an easy walk. We'll start at the Ira Trailhead and follow Towpath Trail to Beaver Marsh, which is known for its wildlife and its beautiful wetland views. This peaceful wetland used to look very different. In the 1950s and 60s, the area became a junkyard where cars and debris were dumped. In the 1980s, volunteers helped to clean up the area, removing tons of trash and restore the land. Soon after, beavers returned and built dams that flooded the land, creating this marsh we see today. Alright Piper, what'd you think of that trail, huh? For difficulty, this trail is fairly easy. It's mostly flat, and the boardwalk makes it accessible for almost anyone. It's a great option if you're looking for a relaxing walk rather than a challenging hike. For our recommendation, Beaver Marsh is definitely worth visiting. It's one of the best places in Cuyahoga Valley National Park to see wildlife. Piper, she gives this hike a 4 out of 5. It's very relaxing, it's nice and easy on her feet. She likes seeing the geese and all the other wildlife that she's able to see out in the marsh. Have you visited Beaver Marsh? Let us know what you think in the comments. Thanks for joining us on Trails with Piper today, and we'll see you on the next hike. You ready to go, Piper?
Yeah.